Do you like Italian breadcrumbs, but not all the carbs that it adds to your favorite fried or baked foods? Then we have a culinary tip for you today, where we take ordinary almond flour, which is gluten-free and low in carbs, and make a homemade Italian breadcrumbs out of it. These breadcrumbs can be used in any recipe that calls for it. For example, coconut shrimp, crab cakes, or one of my personal favorite appetizers, mozzarella sticks. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where we take international and traditional food and drinks and transform them into healthier versions. Make sure you stick around to discover more of our amazing, healthier recipes that you can use these homemade Italian breadcrumbs for right now. Let's make these delicious Italian homemade breadcrumbs together, so let's get started.